Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm going to show you how I prepare these hyacinth beans vadai. This is a typical South Indian style fritters. All the ingredients used in this recipe along with my social media handle links and the Tamil channel link, blog link will be listed in the description box below this video. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. Let's look into all the ingredients required for this recipe and get started. Here I will be using hulled hyacinth beans. I've shown you a detailed recipe how to peel, hull and clean the hyacinth beans. I'll link the video in the description box below this video or in the iCard above this video. So do check that video and hull your hyacinth beans and reserve it. We need hulled hyacinth beans for this recipe. Apart from this, I've also soaked chickpeas ahead of time, 100 grams of chickpeas. Once it has doubled in size, I've drained it from the water and reserved it. So there should not be any sort of residue of water in the chickpeas. We need absolutely dry chickpeas. Once it's soaked, drain it and reserve it. I'll also be using finely chopped onion, finely chopped mint, coriander and curry leaves, ginger, garlic and chilies, we need whole spices, star anise, cloves, cardamom, fennel and cinnamon. Now let's start preparing these fritters. In a mixer jar, I'm going to start preparing the masala first. I've added the ginger, garlic, chilies and the whole spices. I'm going to grind this into a smooth paste. Don't add water when you're grinding all these ingredients. Use very less water or don't use water at all. Now to the masala which is ground, I'll be adding the beans and I'll grind it into a coarse format. Don't grind anything into a very smooth format. It should all be in a coarse format. Only your masala paste should be in a fine paste format. Now once the beans has ground into a coarse format, I've transferred it to a mixing bowl and I've reserved it. I'll grind all the hyacinth beans in the same way. Just pulse it twice and place it on one speed. It should grind into a coarse format. I've not used water. I've not used water to grind these hyacinth beans. Same with the chickpeas. Reserve about 1 tablespoon of the whole chickpeas. The rest you can add to the mixer jar. Pulse it twice and grind it to a coarse format. Use very less water or don't use water at all. Pulse it twice and place it on one speed. It should grind into a coarse format. Transfer it to the mixing bowl. Now the beans and the chickpeas has ground. I've added the mint, coriander, curry leaves and onion. Now I'll combine all the ingredients using my hands. There's a tip I'd like to tell you here. Don't add salt to the entire batter. So you need to divide the batter that you're going to fry and then add salt. The rest of the batter you can store. Because once you add your salt, your onions will start to release a lot of moisture and your batter will get soggy. We don't want that. We need a very tight batter. Here you can see the batter is nice and firm and tight. Now we can start frying it. I'll divide the batter in a small bowl that I'm going to fry and I'll add salt only to that. So how much of a batter I require for frying, I've divided it in a bowl and I've added salt, thoroughly combined it, and I've just formed a lime size ball, flattened it, heated oil in a wok, and I'm gently going to drop the fritters or the vadas in the hot oil and start frying it. We should fry it on very low to medium flame. Fry it for 5 minutes on each side. The beans has to cook thoroughly inside. So if you're visiting vvpuram, you can taste all such dishes there. That is where even I got to taste this vadas, and I recreated that recipe. So I was inspired to recreate this vada recipe after tasting at vvpuram. I've never tasted hyacinth beans vadas in my life before. So it was only at vvpuram that I tasted. Here you can see once it is starting to turn light golden brown in color, I flipped it to the other side and I fried it for 5 minutes on each side. So you should constantly keep flipping it and frying it. The beans has to cook thoroughly inside. All the ingredients used in this recipe, along with my social media handle links and my Tamil channel link, will be listed in the description box below this video. For a return recipe, you can visit my blog. My blog link will be posted in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. The same recipes are translated and posted in Tamil channel. So you can also visit me on my Tamil channel and subscribe to me on my Tamil channel. Once these fritters have turned light golden brown in color, I've drained it from the oil and I'll start serving it. Eat it as hot as possible. It's very nice and crispy. It's very tasty. There is a special flavor and taste in this hyacinth beans. There are so many dishes that we prepare using hyacinth beans. I've already posted a dry fish curry recipe. I've posted a recipe using hyacinth beans with spinach. That's a traditional recipe we prepare here. So there are many recipes that we use this hyacinth beans, but these vadas are a special one because locally this is available during the season. And it is very cheap during this November to December season. That's when we prepare all such recipes. So do try this recipe, friends. It's very easily available. Hyacinth beans is very easily available. You can also prepare with the dried ones. You have to soak it ahead of time and grind it. So here are my hyacinth beans vada. I've served it with some chutney. Excellent is the word. So do give this recipe a try. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. All the links to my blog and social media will be listed in the description box below this video. I will be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.